Welcome to 3-193 Racecourse Road, Trees. This property presents as a wonderful lifestyle opportunity for the right buyer. We're set on 3 hectares. We've got the 4-bedroom permanent material home, beautiful established ground, so much here.
Oh, absolutely. Look at that Australian villa-style home. You can just move straight on in there and start living the good life. Yes, the land out there needs a little bit more work. It was owned by an equine enthusiast, and so we've got the arena, we've got yards, we've got equine facilities. There's massive shedding here. Great shedding. Really, and I mean, shedding. We can't beat this location. Racecourse Road.
I know, always popular.
It's very popular. So if this is something that our buyers and interested parties want to have a look at, we should show them around, don't you think?
Let's do that, eh?
Let's do that.
Cool.
And so there we have it. That's that property. It's got so much going for it. It's got a lot of potential. And I think if someone could see the value in that, they could really get some capital gain out of this and stamp their mark on this property.
Oh, absolutely. And the instructions from the family are very clear. They want to move on. They want the property sold. They want the sold sticker up. So that in itself presents as a genuine opportunity for the purchasers. So if you'd like to know more, give either Teresa or myself a call. Even better, come to one of our open homes, have a look through for yourself. We'd love to show you this wonderful lifestyle opportunity.